kasi I'm going to write my memo eh.
Yeah.
Siya
The same time,
gamin,
this
I
is
do not gamin, siya gamin, I do not diyan nga agpa-publish. Hanak
yeah.
na nga
Yeah.
nagdahan kala niya na do mga photo of the kalakas jay no. But me no, hanak na even ang pag nakikita yung nagan ko nga initiated by Mayor Tabanda,
Yeah.
kasi even donations ko do not put my name kuna ko diyan.
Especially so nung bumalik kayo nung 2013.
Well, isa din
Right?
nagsubli, pinasubli na ka diyan tao.
Yeah.
So DJ, I worked on the overpass marami diyan nga idi Mayor and DJ hanbag nga final-follow up the present administration. Adak diya RDC final-follow up puti ko idarum kayo ta idi Mayor inrugidan adaya posposten no.
Oh, yeah.
And now I followed up or else kudak niya diya DPWH agdarum man konti complaint niya 10 years dahil
Yeah, 10 years, ma'am.
because of
Right.
corrupt practices pabason na di contractor.
You accomplished when you first sat as executive officer of the town. You accomplished a lot. Then you came to Benguet. You did something also. You did a lot. And then what made you decide to come back in 2013? Na parang it's time for me to.
Ano mo di tataong ako. Kung ano din nakita ko nga there's
people
more that
pushed
can
you,
be
really.
done.
I see.
So kung nakaadapan lang di maaramid.
You were known in the 2013, the one that
Well, nagsubli ang
when you came back there, you were known because of your campaign on the drinking of liquor.
The peace and order.
Yeah, so what was the reason for that? Parang what's the antithesis of that guideline or
because when I was a councilor yun nga nakita ko nangatong iti crime rate.
Crime rate.
Crime rate. And ano ti mga ko nga observe ko agiinom da pa iji opisina da. Kasano nga di. And I was the first to establish the office da na separate.
Separate.
Yeah. Yan ay sinong di nagtugaw ni Fong Wan inalis na ijeta di gym. Kasi but I was the first to establish iti office iti police tayo. And siya kinangiro yung ano ti ititid ko. Being mga takmat ti biyag ti police or ti soldado because my parents, my brother, my eldest brother, my late manong ko ni Fred with the PNP but he passed away already. Kasi so and the peace and order syempre no I want the development, I want the peace and order. So nga nakita ko din that's why I had to be strong in the implementation of peace and order.